Tonight we're hearing from a woman from East Palestine just hours after she testified before Congress. She spoke at the latest hearing on last month's derailment and how to improve rail safety. KDKA's Linder has been following the derailment from the start and joins us live. Lauren.
Ken, this marked the second hearing in D.C. related to the East Palestine train derailment, but the first time someone who lives there was able to share how it's impacted the community.
This is about people. This is about a community that no one had ever heard of before becoming ground zero in a small town being destroyed overnight.
Powerful words from Misty Allison, speaking to members of Congress about what she and other families have been going through since the toxic train derailment on February 3rd.
Everyone who lives in East Palestine is aware of the trains that pass by, but we've never really thought about them. Now, we can't think about anything else.
Misty received the invitation last week to speak at Wednesday's hearing of the Senate Committee on Commerce, Science, and Transportation, after meeting the chair, Senator Maria Cantwell, earlier this month at the hearing of the Environment and Public Works Committee, which didn't include any testimony from residents.
I'm really honored that I was able to represent the community.
She wanted to put a face to the disaster that's changed their lives.
My 7-year-old has asked me if he is going to die from living in his own home. What do I tell him?
In her words, what started as a huge fireball that she watched from her driveway is affecting both mental and physical health.
We just want to make sure that everything is being tested that should be tested, and we're not really sure if that's being done or not.
And is causing challenges for businesses and the house market.
This preventable accident has put a scarlet letter on our town. People don't want to come here.
Among U.S. lawmakers, the NTSB chair and the CEO of Norfolk Southern, she shared that residents want short and long-term health care monitoring, home value protection, and an actionable economic development plan, which includes Norfolk Southern placing a first responder training facility in the village.
Norfolk Southern has repeatedly said that they are going to make it right. And so it's really like, what is the litmus test for that, and who gets to decide what is right?
Misty says the community needs concrete data and plans because they're going to be dealing with the aftermath for not just days or years, but decades to come.
We are actual people, and everything that's being done is truly impacting us. And so when these policymakers and when Norfolk Southern is making these decisions, they need to remember that first and foremost.
Now, during the hearing, CEO Alan Shaw mentioned that they're in the process of working on funds to address property values and long-term medical needs, but didn't provide any specific details. For now, reporting live in Pittsburgh, Lauren Linder, KDKA-TV News.
Thanks, Lauren.